Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, today I want to take a little bit of time to talk to you about my website, which is live now at kitcheninstrumentsonline.com. Alright, so the first thing you're going to notice as you scroll down is live streams and tutorials. Now, live streams and tutorials gives you a bit of a background of what kind of service I provide you, as well as what kind of value you can expect to receive from the service. If you'll notice, you can scroll down a little bit. There's a little button that says click here to begin, and it'll send you right to my tutorials page so you can get started on being a better chef. Now below that, you'll notice a calendar. Now the calendar is actually going to be my live stream schedule, which as far as live streams go, the plan is I'm going to do them every Tuesday or every other Tuesday. I'm still working on the time to try to figure out exactly what's going to be the best, but I am working on Eastern Standard Time, so I'm going to have to adjust that for everyone else. And the plan is I'm going to start them on April 2nd. Alright, now if you go down to the bottom of the page, you'll notice we have a mailing list. Now, if you sign up for a mailing list, I'm not going to bombard you with a bunch of emails and stuff, but I'm probably going to send you an email every month or so just to kind of give you the updates of what's going on with Kitchen Instruments, some of the new and exciting things you can expect, including when my cookbook's coming out, when my merchandise is coming in, what type of live streams I'm going to have in the future, stuff like that. Alright, now if you scroll to the top of the page, you'll notice that I have 4 sections. Now, the first of which is YouTube tutorials. So if you're interested in just getting started and watching some tutorials and some live streams, click on that one and it'll take you right to my show. Alright, now if you look to the right of that, you'll notice a tab called Gallery. Now if you click on Gallery, you'll be treated to a bunch of high definition photos, all of which are shows that I've done. So if you're looking to kind of see what you can do as a chef, click on those because I have shows for every single one of those pictures that'll teach you how to do the exact same thing. Okay, now the next tab over you'll notice is the Donate tab. Now, this is completely optional. This is just something if you value my show and you appreciate me and you want to show your support, you can click on this and you can donate any amount of money that you feel is worth the value of what I'm showing you. Alright, and just to the right of that is my Store tab. Now, if you click on my Store tab, the first thing you're going to notice is there's nothing in the store. And that's true. However, in the very near future, you're going to be able to find my cookbook available in 2 different formats. You're going to have a paperback version and a PDF, as well as in the very near future, I'm going to have stuff like aprons and measuring cups and oven mitts and all sorts of crazy stuff. So it's all going to be available at a moment's click in my store. And bam, there it is. That's the website. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. If you're new here and you want to consider subscribing, I made that easy for you too. So just go to my website and below Kitchen Instruments, you'll see a subscribe now button. So if you click on that, you'll be whisked away to my YouTube page or you can instantly subscribe right there. I can't make it any easier for you. And you'll be kept up to date with all future episodes and live streams that are going to be coming out in the near future. Stay tuned.